So I got part one of the installation done yesterday, so that's this lower level here, all the way along there. Temporarily got that connected up to the front, which goes all the way over, and you can see I just stopped a bit short. So my thinking is here to running the rest of the lights from that high level along there, around that ridge. So that's the next phase. I do want to get in there and the front here, but the direction is that way along to the bottom, and then that way along here, so the end point will be on this corner here. That board there, that's made 2 inches from the just to give that nice downlight effect. And start this, the power is running from here over to here in that direction. So start with some solvent cleaner just to clean the UPVC, so it should stick well, but I'm going to screw it as well where I can reach. Just wobbly video here, but I just use the gauge to put the first one in. Really quick to put up once you've got the first one set. Put that one there, and okay, got a bit of weather coming in, but that's 20 minutes work just to put that in there. And I've gone around the back there, so my thinking here is run an extension under this soffit to reach that front gable. So that's the end of the line for now, and I'm just going to focus on the straight run over the windows next. You can just see the existing lights that I had, so that's just a LED strip. Then there's the LED lights, and then you've got to have a driver at the other end. Quite a bit more knowledge needed than installing these, and I'm finding it really easy actually. Just have to make sure that the soffit is nice and clean, just for the 3M to stick to it, and then put a screw in after that. This is how I'm putting them up. Take the back off, take the back off. Been down and cleaned all this, so it should stick. Put the gauge in. Stick. You can see how quick, nice and quick that is. Just run your fingers down to. So this is the connector. So here I'm going to cut the wires here, put this connector in, and then connect this up to the third piece. So I'm going to start with this piece. There, that's your waterproofness, and then tighten that nice and tight. So now I can look at where that's going to come up to. And I can look at my light, and it's just about in line there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the cables here. Nice and simple to done there. They look about 15 mil. So if I can just cut that up beforehand, it's even easier than trying to thread copper lines. So as you tighten that, those splines are going to close up around the cable. We'll put a little bit of silicone grease in there as well, just to make sure that they're totally waterproof. But just given the location where they're installed means that they're not going to get full on weather anyway. So oops. So we can make these off now. So we pop the cable in, make sure it's nice and deep. Just pull those back a little bit more. So all the way to the bottom. Feel the bottoms. Close it up. Just close that one by mistake. All the way to the bottom, then close it up. And then all the way to the bottom. You can feel that into the bottom. And just give that a bit of a tug. Push. Yes, you see there's a location. Just make sure that's your ring to for all your weatherproofing, and we can install that. So we've got this, we've installed the connector now, and it's a bit saggy, so we use these that are provided in the kit. So it's just a goes over, pushes in. So I'm going to put that from me so that I can get to the clip and make put the clip in there. So on the second one, just mark it out, put it there. And before I tighten them up and drop them down at any point, there's a little screw hole in there.